Hey guys, welcome back to Fishing Webbers. We are staying at the Oregon coast for 3 nights with our friends from Wisconsin. We rented this Airbnb and our plan is to do some crabbing. I'm not sure if we're going to be fishing on this trip, but we'll be crabbing for sure. Aaron? So we are at the Manzanita, Oregon. This is where our friends got married and they wanted to come back to this place. It's really pretty beach, so we're actually planning on going to the beach right now. But let me show you a quick tour of this place. It's a really neat house. They have like a area, like a music area with like guitars and the piano and all kinds of different instruments. It's really neat. They have our bedroom has art studio. There's so much things for kids to do. They can color. There's lots of coloring books. There's paint brushes, paint and pencils. They have all kinds of art supplies, so it's a really cool place. So let me show you a tour and then I'll take you down to the beach. We're gonna have a little bit of bonfire, just a little fun with us and our friends, and also we'll take you a little bit in Ecola Park. Just gonna show you a little scenery of the coast. And then tomorrow we are gonna go, we're gonna take the steam train from Rockway Beach to Garibaldi, and then we plan to fish on the Rockway Beach. So let's have fun. I'm excited for this short trip. All right. Here's the inside. And then you got the living room. We've got 3 kids here with us, so this is the first room. This is really cute. 2 beds. Little office room. There's the bathroom. There's my little one. Oh, it doesn't look like we can go down there. We can't go down there. It says no entry. So not allowed. They don't want us down there. No? They're probably hiding something in there and they don't want us to see it. It's an interesting window over here. Kitchen. It's a nice little kitchen. It's got everything you need in here. Then this is like an interesting whole way through here. It's like a little maze. It's a bathroom here? Nobody's here? Okay, good. It's like a bathroom, but it leads to the living room. So you have to close the door through both ways. And this is gonna be our room. This is kind of cool. It's like a little art studio. You can color. It's got more paint in here. It has a cute window. A cute bed. Cute picture. Yeah. That's it. The most important thing is that he's having a good time. Nothing else matters, you know. We are back at the house. It was too windy over there. Just gonna chill here. And then tomorrow we're gonna do the steam train ride and we're gonna go do some crabbing. Excited. Hopefully we catch some crabs so we can cook and eat it. So we found a place where you can rent crab traps and they will just clean and cook the crab for you. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright, you guys, I'll see you tomorrow. We are on the way to set up our crab traps, and then we are going on a steam train to Garibaldi. We have about 15 minutes to set those traps, and then we have to head to where the train station's at, which is a little red caboose in the Rockway beach. So I don't know if we're gonna make it. It's already 10:11, and the train leaves at 11. But this crabbing dock is about 7 minutes away from where the train leaves. So hopefully we'll make it. We'll give it a try. If not, we'll just have to do this on the way back. Got our trap set up. Exciting. So we're gonna go on the train, then come back and see what we can catch. That was a fun ride. So we're gonna stay here for 30 minutes. We're just gonna go check out the area. It's Garibaldi. We've been here before. We fished here. We crabbed here. So we're just gonna hang out for 30 minutes and then we're gonna head back to Rockway and check on our crab traps. Let's see what Dan and Tina have.
Definitely one in there.
I see. Ooh, now we have to measure them though. Alright, I think actually that might be a keeper right there. As long as it's not a girl, we can keep it.
I don't know. I gotcha.
That's a female.
How do you do this? What?
It's a female.
Are we sure? That's female, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
No, that's a bust. Oh, you got some.
Oh, there's a trap as well.
Yeah, they're falling out. Why?
I don't know.
Let's see.
So where do they get in from? These areas? Yes.
That's a bait trap. That is over here then.
Girl, whoever. Be careful. He's like, no, I don't want to go.
Careful, but don't look close to the side.
Ah! He's like,
Okay, who is it?
That's a girl.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Ow.
While you wait to get your crab, you can order some oysters. Look at these things. Yum. You got a crab and some butter. Aaron, be careful, okay? Come over here so Daddy doesn't knock you in the water next. We need to change traps because the trap they gave us has like a hole in it, so the crab's escaping from it. And I'm just gonna go exchange it. We'll crab for a little bit more. If we're not gonna catch any decent sized crab, I guess we'll just go try fishing. All right, another try. It's starting to get chilly out here. Hold on, baby. Let's see if we can ever caught any crabs. Okay, that looks good. Let's see what we have here. Where do I open it again?
Here.
Those are little ones. Come here, buddy. I can't get you out. They're all small. That's a female, but it's a tiny one.
Out of it.
Did Dad say we were going to spend
It's getting windy. Nothing. Oh, one. There's a one in there. That's a good size, but I don't know if it's a keeper or not.
She tried.
Some flippers right here. Our friends got keepers. So we'll switch to the spot over here at the end. It's a little better spot, so
Deeper.
it's deeper. Okay. So, all right, Tina, what do we have? More crabs.
Boy, but I don't know if it's a keeper.
Yeah.
Nah, that one's
That's a
small.
female.
Look at them go. You guys are done.
Yeah. I mean, you could keep yours out a while longer.
There's one in there. Oh, it fell off. It came off. Oh, there's. Oh, I think this is.
Yeah.
It would be nice if they had like a rubber.
Oh, the trap wasn't even closed. That's a boy.
It is.
That's a keeper. Alright, so we are back from crabbing. We had 2 keepers. We had like 5 crabs that we thought were a normal size, but this girl started like measuring them and she's like, no, too short. They were like paper thin, like just paper thin off, but no, she didn't let us keep it. So we kept 2 crabs. They cooked it for us and then we just had to clean it. I was gonna do some surf perch fishing. It's still a little windy out on the beach and the sun is about to set, so we're just gonna have a fire. Today is a lot better weather here It's not as windy as it was yesterday, but still a little windy, but I think it's a better weather for the fire. So we're just gonna hang out and yeah. The sunset is so pretty right now, you guys. So gorgeous out here. Well, this was it of our video today. Thank you so much for watching, for subscribing. Greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.